But check this out. Oh, that is too much. Too much. Add it up.
Okay, do you want salt or no salt?
Doesn't matter. I'm real easy to get along with. Serve me a margarita, I say thank you.
Salt, darling, or no?
Doesn't matter.
Salt, yeah.
Oh, no lime, no.
No lime?
That's the one thing.
All right, then.
I'm not a lime person.
We'll stick otherwise.
Oh, okay. No salt then.
All right.
I'm not a lime person. I like my lemons. I know. All you need is booze and that's it.
Are we going to be on TV?
YouTube and northeastwheelsevents.com.
Really?
Yeah.
Very cool.
You got another flyer?
Yes, I do. Of course I do. I gotta get all the magic here.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Ready for the magic?
Ready. Contact. That is great! That is great! Courtesy of Dead Dinosaurs! Thank you, paleontology! Oh, that is brilliant! Absolutely brilliant! Oh, gosh! Perfect! Thank you!